In economics, we basically study various solutions to the economic problem. The economic problem refers to the tension that exists between all the needs and wants we have as a society versus the resources we have available to satisfy these wants and needs. We try to find a solution to the basic economic problem by answering to the following questions. Those questions are what, how, and for whom. Meaning, what should be produced in the economy, how should these goods and services be produced, and for whom should the various goods and services be produced? If you think carefully about it, these questions really express the essential problems that communities all over the world are faced with. If we can provide the correct answers to these questions, most of the problems we face when economic decisions have to be made will be solved. Let us look at a few practical examples relating to the provision of housing in South Africa. What should be produced? We are all aware of the pressing shortage of housing in South Africa today. But do we really know whether we should build houses or rather concentrate on providing food for everyone? Is the production of food not perhaps more important than providing houses for the needy? Do we know how much more food can be produced if we build fewer houses? How should it be produced? If we decide to build houses, should we rather build fewer houses using unskilled labor, of which there is an excess supply in South Africa, or should we build more houses by means of sophisticated building techniques requiring large capital outlays, which are scarce in South Africa? For whom should it be produced? Once the houses have been built, who should qualify to live in them? Should the largest or the poorest families be given preferential treatment, or should only those who can afford to pay the installments on a home loan be considered? It is immediately clear that there are no easy answers to these questions. Why are they difficult to answer? They are difficult to answer because inherent in all of them is the element of scarcity. Scarcity means that too few goods and services can be produced with the available resources to cope with the amount that people would like to have or consume.